Hello, the machine is now ready for delivery. With the machine, you will get, as promised, the installed blade, obviously, and a spare knife here. Brand new. Also, you get the manual and the electrical wiring. You will also get two brand new boards. I will next make a video with the running machine, but I will use the old board, which you will also get, so we don't damage these new ones. You will get this brand new. Okay, so let's make a running video. Maybe I show you the electrical panel inside here before we make the video. Here is another copy of the electrical wiring and some spare lamps. Okay. Now we are making a running video of the machine. I laid some fabrics on it, okay? Unfortunately, we don't have so much fabrics, but we can make some trial. So we turn the machine on and have to wait some seconds for this light to turn off. Okay, here we go. The machine has security curtains. It will turn off and we have to wait some seconds to be okay, working again. So if I push the button, the working button, the machine immediately stopped and we have to wait for the light to turn off. Now it will reposition. Okay. So we are cutting some rectangles with 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. For the 5 centimeters, put shift here. Okay. Now let's try. So each time I actuate the hand wheel, the blanket will move 5 centimeters. The laser is on, as you can see. This was the first cut. So let's go 5 centimeters at front and cut. Another 5 centimeters and cut. Another 5 centimeters and cut. Okay. Now I will put the camera here and we'll turn the blanket, the board, I mean. Okay, now let's turn the board 90 degrees. Yeah, push it back. And turn it around. Okay. Now we will work the same way, but we will use the other measure, the 7 centimeter. For this we have to move this pin instead of the first position to the second position. Okay? Let's give the first cut. Okay? 7 centimeters. As mentioned, if I put my hands here, it stops. If we have to wait, okay, reposition. Now we have our border, okay, all around. This is waist. I'll show it just here. At the end, we also have some waist. And we have perfectly cut rectangles. Okay. As mentioned, this board is the old one. You will get this also, but you will get 2 new boards and the new knife. The new boards are here. Okay. Perfect cut. I want to explain one more thing to you. This is now a new board I placed here. One of the 2 you will get. This is the new one. This is brand new. Okay. If you can notice, the old one has marks of the knife. Okay. This is worn out. This is why we will supply 2 new ones for you. Anyhow, if you want a perfect cut, like we did before, the knife will have to enter a little bit on the board. If you want to avoid damaging the board, you should place a thin carton between the board and the fabrics. And therefore, you must, the knife, not to go so much deep in the board, you have to adjust here on these 2 bolts. So you loosen this, and if you turn this one clockwise, the knife goes further down. If you turn it anti-clockwise, the knife goes up. So if you lay a carton, you should put the knife higher. So you should loosen here and anti-clockwise on these 2 screws. With the carton, we have some customers who use the carton on top of the board, so they don't damage it so much. To avoid what you see here. And it also shares your knife. The carton is a good solution, but somebody uses it, other people don't. It's up to you. Another important thing is the rotation of the machine. So the machine comes with a plug, you can use it or not. And once you connect it the first time, you have to take this panel out below the control cabinet. And you have to see the rotation. If it turns around, you just have to change two phases. Your electrician will know how to do it. Other thing, we will have to dismantle part of the machine for the proper and secure transport. This table will be dismantled, and this one will also be dismantled. And the chain below, you will get pictures of this, so you don't have problems re-erecting it. And the parts which will be dismantled will be sent inside here, since you have to open it to see the rotation. You will get detailed pictures while we dismantle these two tables. This is for security reason. POLYTEX advises to dismantle on these bigger machines the entry and exit table. So first thing, when you receive the machine, open this panel, you will find the dismantled parts and you will check the rotation sense.